In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create the birthday flow in Klaviyo. In order to do that, first head over to klaviyo.com and make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can proceed to klaviyo.com and sign up for an account there. So since I already have an account, I've already signed in. In order to create your birthday flow, you just need to head over here to the flow option. And then after that, you should be able to see in here this. You can build your own flow or you can create a welcome series. For this case, let's click onto this to build your own. And you can browse in here some ideas that you can actually utilize. So for example, you can click onto the search bar and search in here for birthday. So in here, we have the happy birthday option. We have the email and SMS as well as SMS only. We have standard and countdown to birthday series. So for this case, you can just choose which one you actually want to utilize. Now on my case, let's choose in here this. Now you can just choose in here the actual name for that as well as the tags that you will utilize. Now you can also choose in here the trigger that you want. Let's choose in here first active and click onto this use template. Now from in there, you can see in here that it will open our flow editor. So onto the actual flow editor, you can edit some things for the actions as well as the yes or no options. So in here, the trigger is a date is selected 0 weeks before person's active. You can see in here, can receive is SMS as a conditional split. If it's yes, today is all about you, the happy birthday chant. And if it's no, happy birthday from organization name. So in here, you can see the end. You can add some more things if you would want. But once you're done, you can head over and click on this review and turn on option. You can see in here the status and click on save right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.